peace and love. I wish you peace and love.
What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Kayla, and this is the Soul Tribe. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I hope you decide to stay and be a part of my Soul Tribe. So as the title shows, today I am talking all about the supplements that I take on a daily basis that keeps me healthy, keeps me thriving, keeps me energized, and keep me out the hospital because I'm not having any pain or symptoms or experiencing flare-ups with the autoimmune disorder I was diagnosed with in 2020. Your girl is out here healthy as heck, on her way to fully reversing any sickness or illness that any doctor tried to claim over my life. First, I have this KOS or COS. I'm sure it's KOS. I have this KOS organic plant protein here. Y'all, I searched high and low for a good, healthy vegan protein. If you take protein, you know, or maybe you don't know because maybe you don't even care. A lot of those proteins have so many additives and just unhealthy ingredients, and I just was looking for the cleanest ingredients that I can find, and for the most part, this brand has promise on net as well as taste. I have this in chocolate flavor and it is really good. This video is not sponsored, by the way. This is just stuff that I take daily. So again, vegan plant protein, I take it every day after my workout, and I do a scoop to about 10 ounces of almond milk in my blender bottle, and it is so good. I'll link it below because you definitely should give it a try, and they do have other flavors as well. Next, on a daily, every morning, perfect for these pandemic times, vitamin C. This is really good. I've been taking it for forever now, maybe like a year. I take vitamin C every day. I have not had any problems. I haven't had a cold in a long time. I thankfully haven't had COVID. Whew. And my heart goes out to anyone who has or has lost a family member due to COVID. On that topic, another great preventative, something that you should be taking every day, it really builds up your immune system, is zinc. I take it in liquid form because this naturopathic doctor here in Memphis recommended it and sold this to me. But y'all, if I have to be honest, after this is done, I'm finding a pill form because this is disgusting. It's gross, like, ew, it's gross. But I try to take it every day. It's hard to take because, like I said, it's so gross, but I do try, and I notice like instantly, like I'm feeling up. My immune system is like, woo, I feel good because this stuff really works. So if you feel like you're coming down with a scratchy throat, a little cough, you got some sniffles, allergies, whatever it may be, drop some of this in your water. And by the way, clean ingredients, the only other ingredient in this is water. Drop some in your water that same day, right away. You're cured. No more symptoms. And next, another great pandemic proof type of supplement, and this is something, especially if you're in a Black community, you really should look into taking: vegan vitamin D. Or if you're not vegan, it doesn't have to be vegan, just take vitamin D. But vitamin D, you guys, I was so deficient in vitamin D. A lot of African Americans are deficient in vitamin D because of our melanin. And y'all, when I tell you my vitamin D levels were supposed to be at a 60, mine were like at a 12. That's how deficient I was. But that's no longer, thanks to this vegan vitamin D3, and it is really, I'm noticing a difference. I'm noticing that I'm not having a lot of the hyperpigmentation that I was having. I have more energy, and yeah, I contribute that to not being deficient anymore in vitamin D. And another great supplement that has helped with my energy levels, B12. So I do take 2 B12 supplements. This is the liquid form. I do have a pill form that I take. I just have to reorder it, and I'll put it somewhere here on the screen, and I'll also link it below. But y'all, this is delicious. Delicious, and the ingredients for the most part are clean. I love it. As you can see, if you can see, if it'll focus, I am like almost done. Yeah, this bottle is like almost gone. That's how good it is. And it really works. I take no caffeine. I don't drink coffee. Don't drink any caffeinated teas. And y'all, this is the energy I rely on. My supplements, and they do a great job. So give that a try. And then next, great for everybody, but especially if you are facing any type of illness or autoimmune disorders, turmeric and ginger. I take this every day. You do take 3 of these a day. It is recommended that you take 3 of these a day. And y'all, this is so great for inflammation. I'm telling you, get you some turmeric and ginger. Make sure you get it with bioperine. I don't know how to say it, but that will really help your body absorb the turmeric and ginger better so that you get the full benefits from it. Last but not least, I have these 2 supplements here, and I saved these for last because I used to take these every day. I no longer, because I feel that I'm getting great benefits from the other supplements that I'm taking, but that is Spirulina. This is very great. You can take this every day. I'm now just taking this every once in a while, but this is just straight up Spirulina tablets. There are no other added ingredients, so it's super healthy for you. And it's good for energy. It's a natural source of B12, so definitely look into that. And then last, I have this blood builder, which contains vitamin C, folic acid, vitamin B12, and iron. And it was really good. It served its purpose. I was borderline anemic because my iron levels were really low, but that's no longer. And I don't take this every day. I will just take this every now and again. And there you have it. Those are the supplements that I do take every day. Comment below if you like this video and what supplements you take on a daily. And let me know. I'm thinking about making a video of the herbs that I take every day because I think it'll be helpful. But let me know if you'd like to see that. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And stay tuned for the next. Peace and love.